Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change Google Play Store account password on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, once you have changed your Google account password, it will automatically be updated for all Google services, including the Google Play Store. You will need to use your new password the next time you sign into the Play Store or any other Google service. So let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you have to go to profile icon at the top right corner. Okay, after that, here you can select manage your Google account. And here, please choose personal information. Okay, and you can scroll down, so select password. And before changing your email password, you will be asked to enter your old password. If so, please click next, then enter your new password and confirm your new password. After that, you can click the change password and wait a minute. Okay, so the Google Play Store account password on your device is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change Google Play Store account password on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.